Running a small business, are you constantly drowning in a sea of receipts, invoices, and spreadsheets, wondering where your hard-earned money actually goes? Do you wish there was a magic wand to simplify your finances, track every penny, and make tax season less of a nightmare and more of a breeze? If that sounds like you, then you've landed on the right video, because today, we're diving deep into a tool that promises to do exactly that for small business owners. ZenBusiness Money Pro. You see, the entrepreneurial journey is exhilarating. The idea of building something from the ground up, providing value, and being your own boss, it's the dream for so many. But quickly, that dream can be overshadowed by the practical, often mundane, realities of running a business. And arguably, one of the biggest headaches for any small business, especially solopreneurs and freelancers, is financial management. It's not just about making money. It's about managing it, tracking it, and optimizing it for growth and, crucially, for tax purposes. Think about it. Every cup of coffee you buy for a client meeting, every software subscription, every mile you drive for business, these are all potential tax deductions. But if you're scribbling them on sticky notes, stuffing them into a shoebox, or attempting to wrangle them in a complex spreadsheet you barely understand, you're not only wasting precious time, you're likely leaving money on the table. And then there's invoicing. How much time do you spend creating, sending, and chasing invoices? How many times have you wondered if a payment has gone through, or if a client received your bill? These seemingly small inefficiencies pile up, eating away at your productivity and, ultimately, your bottom line. This is where ZenBusiness, a company well known for helping entrepreneurs form their businesses, steps in with their Money Pro service. They understand that forming an LLC or corporation is just the first hurdle. The real challenge and the real ongoing need lies in the day-to-day operations, especially the financial ones. ZenBusiness Money Pro is designed to be that comprehensive, easy-to-use solution that takes the stress out of your business finances. It's more than just a simple expense tracker. It's an integrated accounting software designed specifically for the needs of small businesses and self-employed individuals. So what exactly is ZenBusiness Money Pro? At its core, it's an all-in-one financial management platform. Imagine a centralized hub where all your business's financial data lives, accessible with a few clicks from anywhere with an internet connection. No more juggling multiple apps or sifting through stacks of paper. Money Pro aims to streamline your financial workflows, giving you clarity and control over your income, expenses, and overall financial health. Let's break down its key features, because this is where Money Pro truly shines. First and foremost, it offers income and expense tracking. This isn't just about logging transactions, it's about smart, automated tracking. You can link your business bank accounts and credit cards directly to Money Pro, and it will automatically import and categorize your transactions. This automation is a game changer, eliminating manual data entry errors and saving you countless hours. You can quickly tag transactions as business or personal, ensuring a clear separation of finances, which is absolutely crucial for any small business, especially if you ever face an audit. Beyond just tracking, Money Pro helps you maximize your tax deductions. This is a huge benefit for small business owners. The software intelligently identifies potential write-offs based on your categorized expenses. Think of it as having a digital accountant constantly looking for ways to save you money on your tax bill. This includes features like a mileage tracker, which is invaluable for anyone who travels for business. Just imagine, no more manual logging of every trip. Money Pro can help you track those miles and calculate the deduction automatically. Next up, invoicing and payments. This is a massive pain point for many. Money Pro allows you to create professional, customizable invoices with your branding. You can send one-time or recurring invoices, set payment terms, and even send automated reminders. But it goes a step further. It facilitates online payments. Through its integration with platforms like Stripe, Money Pro enables your clients to pay you directly via credit card or ACH, bank transfer. This not only makes it easier for your clients to pay you, but it also speeds up your cash flow, ensuring you get paid faster. The system automatically tracks the status of your invoices, so you always know who owes you what and when. For those who dread tax season, Money Pro offers tax prep tools and even includes free do-it-yourself tax filing through a partner. By keeping all your financial data organized and categorized throughout the year, Money Pro generates comprehensive reports that simplify the tax filing process. It takes the guesswork out of preparing your tax documents, providing you with the data you need to confidently file your taxes or to hand over to your accountant. This can translate to significant savings in accounting fees and, more importantly, a lot less stress. But Money Pro isn't just about the practicalities. It also provides real-time financial insights. Through intuitive dashboards and reports, you can get a clear picture of your profit and loss, cash flow, and spending habits. These insights are invaluable for making informed business decisions. Are you spending too much in one area? Are your revenues trending upwards or downwards? Having this data readily available allows you to identify trends, adjust your strategies, and proactively manage your business's financial health. ZenBusiness Money Pro costs $20 per month or $200 per year, which offers a $40 savings on the annual plan. Considering the features it offers, automated expense tracking, invoicing, payment processing, mileage tracking, and tax prep, it's a competitive price point, especially when compared to other robust accounting software solutions on the market. While some may argue that there are free alternatives, those often come with significant limitations in features or customer support, ultimately costing you more time and potential deductions in the long run. The user-friendliness of Money Pro is another key advantage. ZenBusiness designs its services with the small business owner in mind, meaning their platforms are generally intuitive and easy to navigate, even for those without a background in accounting. They aim to simplify complex financial tasks, making them accessible to everyone. And if you ever get stuck, ZenBusiness offers customer support to help guide you through any questions you might have. In essence, ZenBusiness Money Pro is built to automate the tedious aspects of financial management, allowing you to focus on what you do best, running and growing your business. It reduces the risk of errors, helps you identify potential tax savings, and gives you a clear, real-time overview of your financial performance. For any entrepreneur who wants to move beyond the shoebox method and truly gain control over their business finances, Money Pro is a powerful tool to consider. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.